Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get long and strong nails with soaking. Yes, this hack will gonna give you good nails in just 3 minutes. For this you need a bowl of warm water. Yes, warm water, not hot water. Then you have to add few drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is amazing, and with that I'm going to add few drops of coconut oil. Vitamin E oil makes your nails stronger. Coconut oil helps you in growing your nails faster. And after these two ingredients, the third is few drops of lemon juice. Lemon juice again will gonna give you good nails, and it will gonna help you in making your cuticles strong. So just mixing it well in this warm water, and now we have to dip our nails, our hands basically, in this for 2 to 3 minutes. Beauties, one more thing, there is a very big misconception among people that they think soaking will gonna make your nails weaker, it will gonna prone to your nails break, and also no, not at all. This is not the truth, because I'm doing this method from last 2 years, and trust me, this is the best way of getting strong and long nails. Soaking is something you should do once a week, and trust me, this will gonna clean your nails, gonna make your nails look beautiful, and it will also gonna help you in getting that long nails. So yes, you have to soak your nails in warm water with vitamin E, lemon and coconut oil only for 3 to 4 minutes. Beauties, don't overdo it, because excess water will gonna make your nails looking very yellowish. So just don't do that. Just for 3 to 4 minutes. And can you see in this video, this is so soothing, and especially in winters, putting your hands in warm water is something you should do. Not only for nails, it will gonna give you a relaxation to your mind. It's very soothing. So beauties, what are you waiting for? If you are someone who really want to grow your nails faster, who really want to flaunt their long nails, then I think you should try this remedy. Very simple, very affordable, all the ingredients are available at your home. So just go, give it a try, and trust me, you will gonna see the change in just 1 week. And just after just one use, beauties, you will see that your nails started growing, and you can see your cuticles, your overall your nails is becoming healthy, and this is what we all need, isn't it? So beauties, just go give it a try, and I'm believing you're enjoying this video. So what are you waiting for? Please subscribe my channel. If you have any recommended video, if you want me to make a video on a particular topic, then just comment it in the comment section. I'm surely gonna make that for you guys. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much beauties for watching my video, for always supporting me. See you in my next video, see you in my upcoming video. Love you so much. Bye bye and take care.